Here is what you learn to hit your income goals. In Level 1 we'll be focusing on the following key ingredients. Activating your inner success mechanism. Most people fail because they're programmed to fail. Learn to reprogram yourself. Strategic product selection. How to find great products to sell that are in high demand in the marketplace. Strategic and unique positioning in the marketplace. How to make yourself stand head and shoulders above your competition. Messaging. Getting very clear on what your core message is. You want to be a meaningful, specific. Core skill sets in marketing. You must understand traffic generation and how to drive large amounts of highly targeted visitors. Multi-channel prospect acquisition. You'll learn how to strategically build and grow a big list fast using the MCPA strategy. Customer acquisition. This means getting sales. You'll learn how to convert your prospects into customers and later ravings fans. Creating multiple streams of income. Right from the beginning, learn to set up multiple streams of passive and automated income. Development of your central hub. This is the single most important ingredient for your long-term success.